Hi, I want to talk to you about how are your finances and taxes going to be impacted during an election year. Well, history tells us really what we can typically look for. In an election year, we typically see the incumbent utilizing fiscal policy, executive order to cut taxes for individuals. We have already seen that happen. We have seen that payroll taxes have been cut. We have seen for business owners that payroll tax payments have actually been pushed until the next year. What is that really looking like for you? As individuals, you are able to bring home more money to feed your families. You're able to have more money to go out and spend in the economy. But we have to really think about what is that going to mean moving forward? What are things going to look like if we change presidents? The candidate that is now running is going to be looking to come in with their own tax changes. They're going to champion their own policies based on the things that they believe in. So we are going to have for sure tax law changes as we go into the next year, whether it's going to be the current incumbent or whether it's going to be the new candidate. The laws are going to change. So right now, your finances are up in the air. You're not really sure what to do. The things that I am going to tell you that you should do is make sure that you are anchoring home plate and not going into any major purchases, because as we sit today, our take-home pay as employees are greater. As we sit today as business owners, we have more cash in our pocket because we don't have to pay our payroll taxes. We have gotten payroll tax cuts. We have gotten payroll tax credits. There are so many things that are on the table that are currently in our favor. A lot of us are even borrowing from our retirement plans, and that money does not necessarily have to be paid back until 3 years. So right now, you may be seeing an artificial inflation of your cash flow. But as we turn the corner and we get a new president, what is that going to look like? Will that continue? I doubt it, because taxes have to increase to pay for the decrease that we have been having over this current year. The thing that I am going to say to you right now is you're going to see your money tightening. You're going to see less money in your pocket. It has to happen because history tells us that it is going to happen. So as we sit on these extra things that are allowing us to put more cash in our pockets, the ability to draw down from our retirement and not pay tax right now, the ability to take home more money on our paychecks, the ability of us business owners not having to pay payroll taxes, these tax credits that we're currently getting for keeping individuals on our payroll, I am going to say to you, be careful, because as we move forward, we got to pay back those things for which we haven't paid yet. So the thing for you to realize is that it's important to establish your budget. It's important to carry on making sure you know what you're going to have to pay in the future, because having a payroll tax cut, not having to pay payroll taxes, having more money now doesn't mean that we're going to have more money in the future. So tighten up your finances. It's extremely important so you don't get caught without the proper cash flow to continue on with your family, continue on building your wealth, and continue on growing your business.